Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. Um, in last video I think yeah, that was related to unboxing of new iPhone, that was 13 Max Pro. So as I told you, I'm going to switch from Android to iPhone, so therefore I'm going to switch my normal laptop to MacBook. So here's my new MacBook Air. So I just removed the main paper of this one. I will share with you guys the unboxing of my new MacBook Air. It's MacBook Air 2020 with the M1 chip. Yeah, M1 chip is the latest technology which is designed in California right now. So it's 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip. So there's different categories like 8 GB, 16 GB, and the hard disk is like SSD is like 256, 512, 1 TB. So I select like 256 SSD because it's enough for me. So this is my new MacBook Air. I would like to share with you guys the unboxing of this one. So we should start unboxing. This is the first time. Maybe it's hard to open. So there are like three colors in MacBook Air 2020. One is silver, one is gold, and space gray. So I select the phone as well as space gray, and the same I did in my MacBook Air. I got the MacBook Air space gray color. So this one is the unboxing. So let's see what's inside. Wow, inside is pretty MacBook Air. Gray color. Space gray. Gray is a bit dark, space gray is a bit light. So it's a space gray. I got my Airbook. I'm going to open the main paper. So guys, this is my new MacBook Air. I just removed the paper. So very pretty colors, a beautiful sign of Apple on that. That's very slim. In fact, there is two. Is like one is Air and one is Pro. So Pro is a bit thicker than that. So therefore, I choose Air. So this is very slim. MacBook Air 13-inch. So I should open that. Wow. This is the first view of my MacBook Air 2020. So I'm gonna remove this paper too. It's very charming, it's beautiful. It's asking for the language, and then it's asking for to select the country. I think it's asking for the setup. It will take definitely too much time. So I'll not set up right now. So what's inside in the box? Let's see that. So first one is like this box. It have like two Apple sign, two Apple logo, a book which is gonna tell us like yeah, there is some instruction about how to use this MacBook. It have like Touch ID, multi-tap gestures. Yeah, it's just some like menu, just showing something how to use this MacBook, and where is the USB ports and extra. So I'm gonna put it again back. Yes. So what's else in a box? It's a cord. It's a charging cord. One charging cord. And it's thanks God it have an adapter, and in iPhone unboxing there was no adapter. So thanks iPhone, thanks Apple, you are giving us adapter. Otherwise I'll have to go again market to buy this one. So I don't know I can get the original one or not. But thank you so much Apple. You are giving us adapter. But it's request, please put your adapter in your Apple phone box too. So it's not a good when you get the phone at home and then you go back again the market and you would have to buy the adapter to charge your phone. So it's request, please, if you can insert the adopter in your phone box too. Thank you so much. So guys, this is a brand new Mac, okay? So I was sharing with you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and as I promised you, I'm sharing with you guys some information too regarding the USA. So I hope so. I'll share more and more videos. So I'm sharing some like general vlogs and some the information about what you can do over there. So thank you so much for watching. And at the end, I'll request you again, if you're not subscribed my channel yet, so please try to subscribe. And I'll not ask you to forcefully please like my video. If you're gonna like that, so please like my videos and my stuff. So thank you so much, guys. I hope see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.